In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Calendar settings and find the import and export section. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to Google Calendar and make sure the page has fully loaded. This is the main workspace where you can view your schedule, manage events, and access all of your calendar tools. If you use multiple Google services, just confirm that you're in the correct Google Calendar window before moving on. Now look toward the upper area of the Google Calendar screen. In that top menu border area, you'll find the gear icon, which is the shortcut for settings. Go ahead and click that icon. When you do, a small menu will appear with several options related to how your calendar is displayed and managed. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the full settings page for Google Calendar, where you can control a wide range of calendar preferences. Depending on your screen size, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall structure will be the same. Take a moment to let the settings page load completely so everything is visible and easy to navigate. Once you're on the settings page, shift your attention to the panel on the left-hand side. This side panel contains a tree of options that helps you move between different calendar settings sections. Look through the available links until you find Import and Export. Click Import and Export in the left side panel. This section is where Google Calendar keeps tools related to bringing calendar data in or sending calendar data out. It's a useful area if you need to move events between calendars, backup information, or work with calendar files from another service. If you don't see the option right away, scroll a little within the settings panel and check carefully, since the list can be longer depending on your account setup. Also, make sure you are still on the main settings screen and not inside an individual calendar submenu, because that can change what appears in the navigation panel. And that's it. You've successfully opened Google Calendar in Chrome, accessed the settings menu, and navigated to the import and export section. From here, you're ready for the next part of your calendar management task.